Hey guys, this is my first ever Philippine loop in June 2011. The Luzon Visayas Mindanao charter ride in Puerto Cristo, Davao. Take a party with friends in Parañaque. Another set of friends, well-wishers for our successful trip in charter ride. Thanks, Guy, for celebrating with us. With my Shadow 750cc.
Wala ka bang napapansin
Beautiful Honda.
sa iyong mga kapaligiran?
This is somewhere in Santos
Kay
Port,
dumi na
Mindanao,
ng
2011.
hangin, pati na ang mga ilog natin.
With me from left, Ronald, Aloy, and myself, Lakwachero, in Luzon's Port, Mindanao, and Mindanao with Kaloy. Maguindanao and the southern Cotabato in Plomolok. And here is somewhere in Digos where we stay for a little while and enjoy the chicken grilled. Bunawan, Agusan del Sur in Mindanao. Again with my friends and riding buddies, Ronald, myself, and Chloe. And here we go with Kabadbaran boys in Mindanao. Thank you guys. Signing of the tarpaulin, some Visayas Mindanao charter ride in Butuan following day. And here is the guys in Surigao Port in 2011. Thank you guys, our Mok brothers. Lodging house in Armok in Visayas. And enjoy this delicious karehan. Now in Puerto Cristo, Butuan, orphanage of abandoned elderly. God bless them. Now in Calapan, Mindoro. Salamat sa inyo. Again, Pulumulok. Among Ben, the Lakwachero. Saluting you.
Sa umaga na may karungkaran, iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo.
Now in Bicol, in Cagsawa Ruins, Albay, with my friends.
Nais mo'y maging
Now
malaya,
pilgrimage to
di man
Juan,
sila payag walang magagawa.
we enjoy the DJZ Halo Halo.
Ikaw nga'y biglang
Very tasty. Halo Halo. Now here's the Honda Shadow 750. Very tough motorbike made in Japan.
ikaw ba'y nag-iisa, walang
So cool.
kaibigan,
With the Cobra
walang kasama.
pipes in it
Ikaw ba'y nalilito,
and Corbin
pag-iisip mo'y
leather seat.
nagugulo.
Now a
Sa
little bit
buhay ng tao,
before the
sa
ride.
takbo ng buhay mo,
Song Visayas
ikaw
Mindanao.
ba'y isang
Ticket
mayaman, o
near
ika'y isang
home
mahirap
church.
lang.
Now,
Sino
yeah,
sa
thank you, my
inyong
dear
dalawa
brothers
ang
and
mas
sisters.
nahihirapan?
Thanks, guys, for watching my short video.